Welcome to this masterclass. Let's discuss how to write content for a blog. Okay, so these are blog samples. DanielHustle.com. This is another blog website. So it is one of the easiest way to make money online. A blog is a version or a written version for a vlog, like a YouTube or any account, any video account. So if you do not want to show your face most of the times, but you have something that you want the world to know about, that you want to share in an information method or in an information form, you can blog about it. And to be able to blog, you need what we call a hosting. So this is a URL. So this is chrisosocialmedia.com. This is danielhustle.com. So URL is anything.com.org. That helps you to be able to find let's say your business. So this is Chris Social Media Group. So he has chrisosocialmedia.com as his URL. So whichever so this is Daniel's Hustle, this is a business name, and this is danielshustle.com. So whatever you want for your URL is what you choose. And then to be able to get a blog, you need to buy a hosting, and then you can buy from this. So to be able to get hosting to buy, I've put in some hosting and domain links in the description to this video. You can check it out, and then you can purchase a hosting. A hosting is where you store all the files that you have. For example, in this sense, as you can see on your screen, all the files over here, okay, in relation to Hope Africa. So these are this is a news website. Okay, so in this news website you can see content on Africa. Okay, you can see content on Africa. You can see content on other parts of the world. Okay, you can see the about page. You can see their contact information. Okay, you can see their contact information. If you want to read anything about business, they have a place for business on this site. And all these files, where you want to store these blog files, is the hosting. So when you purchase a hosting, you have to search. First of all, you make a search, and by doing a search, let's say you want a hosting, and then you do a search to check if the name that you want is available. So you check if the name that you want is available. Okay, so when you choose the hosting that you want, you can choose any hosting at all, and then you can just say you want to buy. When you buy, you can just search. Okay, so you can search. So you can choose a domain. A domain is the name of the .com that you want. So whatever name that you want for your blogging website or your blogging site, you can choose it. You can choose or search the domain. Okay, so you register a new domain. So it will help you to be able to check. For example, if you want a domain name like maybe We Afrique, that's the name of, let's say, that you want for your website. So weafrique.com. So you can search it to see if it's available, the name of your blogging website, and then you'll be shown whether it's available. Okay, so someone is saying that it's already taken, so you try another name. So for example, We Afrique, okay, accessories, or let's say, okay, designs. So you search again, weafriquedesigns.com. So maybe you want to make a blogging site, so it's available. Okay, so you can just, maybe you want a blogging website named weafriquedesigns.com. so it's available. Available means you can purchase. No one has ever registered this name before, and you can pay with your credit card or with your PayPal account. Okay, so credit card, bank, or anything, and you can pay also with your PayPal account. And that's how it's very, very, very easy. Then when you are done with registering for the hosting and domain, It's now left with how to build this site. So you build a website like this. You can use a simple tool like WordPress, or you can even use already established templates. Okay, you need themes, you need plugins. You build a simple, easy website. So in the upcoming videos on this masterclass channel, I'll be showing how to build some simple sites, for example blog sites, etc. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the red subscribe button on your right hand side below this video to be notified whenever I post any video at all. Okay, so now to the main goal of this masterclass. Now getting maybe content for your website. Let's look at sample content. So this is the content about social media marketing on this blog. Okay, so you see that the person has written content. So there are pictures or thumbnails for each of this content. And to be able to get free videos, I posted a video before this video, which is how to get free pictures for your website. I'll put a link of this video in the description to this actual video, and you can just check it out. You can get nice pictures that you can use to build your blog as well. So for example, you see this is about how to use WhatsApp for YouTube growth, and then you can get these things free on those sites. So kindly check the video out. So now to the content. So he says he's writing about how to increase traffic. So the person has created the content on how to increase traffic. So when you click on it, he has made a write-up. Okay, a simple write-up with so and so 2.6 billion subscribers, blah 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 blah, like that. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, and let me delve into something. So you'll be seeing some of these things on the blog website. So if you're able to write content that many people visit your site like this frequently, you'll be able to monetize your blog, and that is other companies that are also established will now want your page to be advertising. So all these adverts the person who owns this blog gets paid. Okay, so all these ones I'm closing are adverts by companies. Okay, these are all adverts by company. So to know more, kindly subscribe. I'll be doing some of the how to monetize your blog, your website, and all these things in the upcoming videos. Okay, anything you need to start your business, any idea, I'll share on this channel. So this is something the person has written easily, just in simple ways, and the person has added pictures to the write-up. Okay, so basically to get content for your website, there's a site called ezinearticles.com actually that you can get most articles for your site related to arts, entertainment, business, computers and technology, gaming, home-based business, internet and business online, legal, real estate, relationships, everything, book reviews, communication, food and drinks, pets, insurance, shopping, self-improvement, women interest. So let's say you want to even talk about investing, you can click on any of these articles. If you do not know what to even do with your blog, and you set it up by buying your hosting and domain from such sites, okay, from such sites, by buying your hosting and domain, and you set it up in this sense, and you do not even have maybe what you want to use your channel for, you can as well get some articles here for free to post. So back to investing, you can go to retirement planning. You click on retirement planning, and then a write-up will open, and you can just copy and paste. Okay, so you can just copy and paste. You can edit. You can just get an idea over here, and then you can just copy it. You can copy the content, or if you want more, okay, so let's say you want the exact story. So this is the history of share market crashes. So you want to copy each and every one of these, for example, up to a point. you can just copy and then you can paste on a site called Grammarly. Okay, you can just change everything. Okay, so Grammarly, you can just sign up. So this is free. You can just click on it, and if you do not have an account, you can just create an account on Grammarly. You can set a password. Okay, you can set a password. Okay, so you can agree and sign up. Okay, so they've sent a verification, so then you can just check your email to find out the verification that they've sent, and then you can just copy it and then you can create an account. So I'll have a full tutorial on this. Okay, so just as not to waste time, kindly subscribe and get access when I open it. So as you are done, so I'll have a full tutorial on how to use Grammarly on this site. So as you have copied, you paste on Grammarly and then you check for all the errors that you've made. You can change the write-up, and then when you are done, you go to a site that we call Small SEO Tools. Small SEO Tools. And Small SEO Tools will check whether you have not. You see, remember that I chose the story from designarticles.com. Okay, so when you are done editing, you go to Small SEO Tools to confirm the fact to confirm if there is no plagiarism content in it. So this one checks for plagiarism. So when you come to Small SEO Tools, we have a plagiarism checker here. Okay, plagiarism checker, and then you can check for plagiarism, anything that you've copied. So you can just check for plagiarism. You can paste whatever you have. For example, what I copied over there from design articles, then you check for plagiarism. Small SEO Tools will check whether you've not plagiarized, and if you plagiarized, it will show you where you plagiarized from. Okay, so these are how you get a content for a blog website. In this video, I was able to teach you the basics on how to set a website by first buying a domain from domain providers. I'll put the links of the domain providers in my description. The description to this video. Description of this video is the write-up I've made under this video. Okay, and then I'll have my email address over there. You can also let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so I was able to help you see. So you can just buy your domain and hosting, and then you can just design your site like these ones, like these blogs. This is a full blogging website. This is also a full blogging website, and you can also get your site set up like these ones. After you are done, you have a write-up. You can come to design articles. If you don't even have any idea, you can just search for maybe an idea. So maybe you want to even write about fashion. If you want to write about fashion, it's listed here though, but if you do not want, or you want something else, so maybe how to make money easily. So how to make money, you can just search for how to make money and the articles on it. So how to make money for kids, how to make money from the government. You can get something to write for your blogs very easily. Then when you are done, because you lifted it from somebody's site, you see, plagiarism checker, the Small SEO Tools will help you to be able to know you have plagiarized. So it's telling me that I've plagiarized, isn't it? It has underlined. 96% plagiarism. It means I've copied from somebody's website. Only 4% is unique. So I have to what? Take it to a place like Notepad or Word on my PC. Okay, so maybe Word or Notepad. You can load to Word or you can load to Notepad, whichever one, and then you paste the write-up over there, and then you do what? You edit it. You edit the English. When you are done, you bring it back to what? Grammarly, to check whether your English and everything is on point, and then you can also check for plagiarism. And then when everything is done, you can what? Paste it on your blog. If you found value in this video, kindly let me know in the comment section. You can also like, subscribe, and see you in the next masterclass. Bye.